Is coffee good or bad for you? Your daily cup of coffee may be doing more for you than providing that early morning pick-me-up. The health impact of coffee has long been a controversial topic, with advocates touting its antioxidant activity and brain-boosting ability and detractors detailing downsides such as insomnia, indigestion, and an increased heart rate and blood pressure. But the latest wave of scientific evidence brings a wealth of good news for coffee lovers. Here are a few reasons that drinking coffee may be healthier for you than you thought. Coffee is a potent source of healthful antioxidants. In fact, coffee shows more antioxidant activity than green tea and cocoa, two antioxidant superstars. Scientists have identified approximately 1,000 antioxidants in unprocessed coffee beans and hundreds more develop during the roasting process. Numerous studies have cited coffee as a major and in some cases the primary dietary source of antioxidants for its subjects. Caffeine provides short-term memory boost. When a group of volunteers received a dose of 100 mg of caffeine, about as much contained in a single cup of coffee, Austrian researchers found a surge in the volunteers' brain activity measured by functional magnetic resonance imagery (fMRI) as they performed a memory task. The researchers noted that the memory skills and reaction times of the caffeinated volunteers were also improved when compared to the control group who received a placebo and showed no increase in brain activity. Coffee may help protect against cognitive decline. In addition to providing a temporary boost in brain activity and memory, regular coffee consumption may help prevent cognitive decline associated with Alzheimer's disease and other types of dementia. In one promising Finnish study, researchers found that drinking 3 to 5 cups of coffee daily at midlife was associated with a 65% decreased risk of Alzheimer's and dementia in later life. Coffee is healthy for your heart. A landmark Dutch study which analyzed data from more than 37,000 people over a period of 13 years found that moderate coffee drinkers who consumed between 2 to 4 cups daily had a 20% lower risk of heart disease as compared to heavy or light coffee drinkers and non-drinkers. Coffee may help curb certain cancers. Men who drink coffee may be at a lower risk of developing aggressive prostate cancer. In addition, new research from the Harvard School of Public Health suggests that drinking 4 or more cups of coffee daily decreased the risk of endometrial cancer in women by 25% as compared to women who drank less than 1 cup a day. How to keep it healthy? So how much coffee is healthy and how much is too much? 2 to 3 8-ounce cups per day is considered moderate. Remember, the amount of caffeine per coffee beverage varies depending upon the preparation and style of beverage. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.